Welcome to the Low Code Express. This is our series on digital transformation using low code and a collaborative design process. I'm Ron Kagan, visiting scholar at UC San Diego's Design Lab, and this presentation is for the graduate seminar at UC San Diego, where we discuss current applications of human-centered design for inclusive automation across organizational boundaries. By way of introduction, I'm CEO of ExpresSoft. We've automated international finance using low-code platforms since the late 90s. And we've rolled out low-code products for our clients and use collaborative design process as a way to understand their requirements and needs. Low-code has a number of advantages. So all aboard. This presentation is an overview of the main topics we'll cover in our series. We'll show how to simplify your design and development process, how you can build collaboration across your organization at the same time. Low-code is a simpler way to implement your digital transformation, and it can be done in a way that reduces your cost. We'll show how to actually accelerate those digital transformations with the right platform and with a collaborative design process. The key, as we'll show, is choosing the right low-code engine and empowering your teams to work in a collaborative fashion. We'll first focus on destinations. We'll show how to move forward in distinct steps and how you can do so in a more effective manner by tapping into the knowledge of your teams and end users. We'll explore current trends in low-code and design, and we'll explore how to determine what platforms and which methods work the best for your organization. There's a number of topics that we'll explore in our series. We'll begin by looking closely at low-code, the different platforms, and how components themselves are packaged on each of these systems. We'll demonstrate just why software development is easier with low-code, and how low-code development and design can actually offload a great deal from your IT team. There are a number of different types of platforms, and we'll walk through several of these to show you a lot of the differences that are out there in the marketplace today. We'll dive into prototyping, one of the hallmarks of low-code. We'll explore how to involve a wider range of people in your organization, including remote staff and end users, how your team can get closer to the work at hand, which helps in the whole design process, and how iterative prototyping refines the features and functions of your final system. Each prototype moves you closer to your final product. With more people involved, it is essential to keep the teams on track. The collaborative design process has 7 steps that allow the iterative process to focus on solving critical issues and implementing solutions. By structuring these steps, you can avoid groupthink, and we'll show how. And finally, this human-centered design process unleashes a good deal of creative solutions. The key is using your informal organization and forming working teams across organizational boundaries. Keep in mind that building the final product must keep an eye on security. We'll explain how the different platforms implement secured access to applications and their underlying data. We'll discuss how workflow can protect the financial side of applications, and also how security itself can be layered with different roles, encryptions, and privileges. Low-code and the collaborative design process increases participation. We'll show how to empower the informal organization and the keys to facilitating a creative interaction where designs and functionality have increased effectiveness. And also just how to expand the involvement of the overall organization. We'll detail the steps to successfully do this. Digital hubs connect people in different locations and time zones, both in real time and in offline conversations, and it can do so in a way to actually build teams and strengthen cooperation. Digital hubs help to preserve and keep continuity from day-to-day conversations and across different locations. With hubs, the organization enables teams to work together, to handle their own conflicts, and to brainstorm solutions. Some final thoughts. Our series covers the current trends and the different low-code platforms that are out there today, and how best to implement these in a collaborative process. We explore the different keys to choosing the right platform, and also how to get started in the process of implementing low-code solutions in your organization. This series has been prepared for the UC San Diego Design Lab. Our thanks to ExpresSoft for their assistance in the preparation of this video.